Hey guys, so quick video for you. If you got the Hair AC remote and you're looking for a way how you're gonna reset it, it's pretty simple. I got like two for you here. The controls, so you can have a reset under confirm and cancel. So you can reset here and reset here, and all you have to do is press it once or try to press and hold it, and that should reset. If this is not going to work out, that you're going to press and hold the reset button, what you need to do then, you need to actually like turn it off out of the circuit breaker for like 5-10 minutes and then plug it back in, and maybe it's going to help fix the issue. Got no idea, so try it out and maybe it's going to help to fix whatever issue you have with it. So have a great day and goodbye.